In this lesson, we look at 5 ways to monetize your blog, simple things you can do to improve your profit. Subtle affiliate promotions. A blog is a great way to promote affiliate products to your subscribers who trust and respect your opinion. The key to doing it successfully is to employ a subtle touch. Here are some general guidelines. Ask yourself what types of products your readers might be interested in. Think about the quality of the product. Promoting just 1 or 2 inferior offerings, and there are plenty of those around, could be enough to destroy months of work building up trust and credibility. A good promotion educates readers on the problem and how the product solves it. Consider building up to a promotion by talking about a problem one week and providing a solution the following week. Spread out your promotions to avoid making your readers feel like they've subscribed to 1001 ways to part with your hard-earned cash. Inserting Google AdSense. There is some money to be made from placing Google AdSense within your blog posts. Google AdSense is a risk-free way to make some money as it costs nothing to sign up. As with AdSense generally, the more targeted the content and the better you use your keywords, the more relevant the ads are likely to be, and the more money you're likely to make. The easiest way to insert AdSense blocks into your posts is via the WordPress AdSense Deluxe plugin. This application provides shortcuts for automatically inserting AdSense code into your blog. All you have to do then is add simple HTML comments wherever you want the 3 ad blocks to show up. Writing product name reviews. Writing product name reviews can be extremely lucrative, as they are usually quite easy to get ranking highly in Google searches on product name plus review. Even better, because people are already thinking of purchasing a product when they're searching for a review, blog reviews usually convert very highly. The secret to writing a successful product name review is to be honest, and place the product name throughout the post 3 or 4 times. Just because you're trying to make a sale doesn't mean you have to be glowing. In fact, reviews are more believable when the author is clearly taking an objective view and commenting on the negatives as well as the positives. Everyone knows that there is no such thing as pure perfection, and trying to make something appear that way smacks of insincerity and motives that are blatantly financial. What about becoming a ReviewMe.com writer? This isn't exactly affiliate marketing, but it's still a pretty decent way to make some money, which is why we're giving it a mention. ReviewMe.com is a site that brings bloggers and product owners together for mutual benefit. It's widely recognized that blogging is extremely effective as advertising that isn't advertising. The power of reviews, recommendations, and general opinion pieces is huge, and product owners are willing to pay bloggers good money to mention their widgets to readers that have their ad defenses down. Your blog is reviewed before being accepted by ReviewMe, so it's a good idea to get it in good shape before applying. Once you're accepted, however, you can earn anything from $20 to $200 for each review you write. Sell your blogs. A site with a large readership is valuable in itself, so valuable in fact that some people make a living as blog professionals, setting up blogs, getting them ranking well, and then selling them for anything from a couple of $100 to several $1,000s. If you enjoy the challenge of creating the buzz and building traffic, but find that you lose interest the moment things plateau, becoming a blog professional could be a good career move. And time for today's lesson summary. In this lesson, we took a look at 5 ways you can monetize your blog. They were subtle affiliate promotions, inserting Google AdSense, writing product name reviews, becoming a ReviewMe.com writer, and selling your blog. Anyway, that's all we've got time for. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye for now.